You got 2002 GMC Yukon 1500 5.3 liter. Here's the passenger side. I'm on the passenger side here. You want to be underneath the glove box right here. You need a 7mm socket extension and a 5.5mm socket. You have a bolt right there, and there should be one right there, but it's missing. You just need to remove these. Okay, that's out. This just kind of pops down. Here is this area right here is where the cabin. There's 2 cabin air filters inside there. You're going to take your 5.5 and you're going to go all the way to the back. There's a little screw right there. I don't know if you can see it, but it's right there. You gotta loosen that screw to get this cabin air filter out. It's gotta be a 5.5mm. 5 and a 6 won't work. Okay, it's out. Now you take it and you pull it down, and here it is. Here's one. The other one is buried in the back. You gotta kind of work it out. Sometimes they get stuck. They're kind of stubborn. These are very dirty, very clogged up. Anyway, that's how you do it. And then you just replace them and put it all back together again, and that's how the cookie crumbles.